guys, welcome to a video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and activate the notification bell like that for YouTube to make you notice that we have new videos. Okay, let's start.
Labubus.
Okay guys, we were in the flea market shop and we got
Labubus.
and we got a sample.
Sample.
So
This
cute.
is
the sample.
Got my. Okay, let's see.
Okay, this is open yours.
Ah! I broke. I think that I can. I think that it.
Okay.
Okay. I picked this one. I picked this one.
And I picked this one. Okay. Oh my god!
Look, okay.
Look, I got a tiny green one.
Wait, guys.
Oh, and there's the sticker.
Look. Wait. What is it?
Oh my god, it's so
Wait,
cute. Let me see what color is it.
Look.
Oh, it's color soy milk. Mine.
Oh, look, this is so cute.
Hers is soy milk and mine is green grape. Okay.
That's for you.
This is Okay, and we got this one.
I don't have a
And
sticker.
this other one.
I don't have a sticker.
Take a package.
And my package is there's nothing.
Okay.
There's
Well,
nothing.
that's strange. Okay, let's open the next one. Okay.
It's because this one I was opening it on my car.
Yeah.
I was opening
She
it.
couldn't wait.
Yeah, I couldn't wait. So I buy another one.
And
It's so.
what color is it? Oh, it's Siamese bean. This one is Siamese bean.
Oh, it's so cute. Look,
We got Siamese bean, soy milk, Siamese bean, and green grape.
Okay, bye guys.
Okay, guys, this was a good experience with opening the labubu.
Labubu. Labu.
Labubu. So I hope to see you on next time. Bye bye.